Okay, this is my first video in 7 or 8 months, and I've been really lazy, to be honest. That's why I haven't made any videos during this time, and I'm thinking about starting doing them again, maybe 1 or 2 per week or something like that. I don't know. I can't really promise anything, but anyways, here I am again. Let's go through some of my current positions. And before I do that, I just want to say my accounts have been sideways for the past 2 months or so. The market hasn't really been great for my style of trading, momentum and swing trading. So for the past couple of months, I've been sideways. As you know from my videos, this past fall, I had a big run in my accounts from about mid-September. I stopped doing the videos in late November, I think, and I had a big run until about mid-March. Then I had April, May, June were very small up months. July was a red month for me, the first red month in probably a year, and August so far I'm red also. It's been very choppy for my style of swing trading. So these are my current positions. I'm long some RH, had some great earnings a couple of months ago. Pulled back, found support on this rising 50 day, bought it on this little breakout day of the or the little bounce day of the 50 day, of the rising 50 day, and I'm still in it. I've sold some. Etsy, another earnings winner. I bought it on this little, it gapped up, sold off on earnings, had decent earnings, and I bought it on this day here. Hasn't really gone up much since. Cool, this is a piece of shit stock, but there's enormous short interest in it. There's short pieces all the time. I think this thing could squeeze. If it starts going up, I think it could easily go back to 40 or maybe 50 or something like that. But this is more of a short squeeze thesis, not because I think it's a great fundamental buy. Very thin too. ASND, bought it just a couple of hours ago on this little breakout. You know, it's been building. It had a big run. It went from like $20 to 70 in a year. Now it's been going sideways for about 5-6 months and building higher lows this whole time, and now it's breaking out. So my risk is $3 to potentially make, I don't know, 20, 30. You know, it could. Why can't it go to like 90 or 100? Tesla I've been short for a few days. I added more today on near the open. I've been short since this day here, when it looked like it was gonna break down from this 60-minute range after the bogus Elon Musk tweets where he said he's gonna take the company private. I don't believe that one bit. Yeah, well, let's see what happens here. I am overall bearish on Tesla, the fundamentals and everything. I think the company has too many problems right now. But the stock is down quite a bit from the highs. It could very easily snap back just as a technical bounce, but I think this thing is starting to deteriorate fundamentally. But we'll see. Mankind, I've been long this thing for a while. I bought it on this breakout day here. I'll scroll back a little bit. So this thing has been going down for many years, and then it found a bottom, started to trend higher, found support on this rising 20-day, had a little bit of breakout here. This is where I bought it. I bought it in the 1990s, and it's up about 75% since, or 70%. I still have about, let's see, I think I had 20,000 shares. I think I have a quarter or so left. with a trailing stop. Soda had blowout earnings, great guidance and everything. Took out this 6-month range. I bought it somewhere here on opening range highs. I don't remember where, maybe 105s or 106s or 107, something like that. Straight up since about 20%. I think I've sold a third or a quarter, I don't know. Send, I bought this one a couple of weeks ago on the earnings. Decent earnings and good volume. Relatively new IPO software. This is one of the strongest groups right now, these small mid-cap software stocks. And so far it's worked. And Sale, I bought some today, another software, mid-cap software stock. Been building higher lows all year. Great earnings a few days ago. And yeah, see what happens here. I have 2 stops for it. This is the area where I'll sell half, and here I'll sell the other half in case it stops me out. Okay, I don't even remember how I used to do these videos. I think I used to go through the watch list for next day, but right now I'm recording this. It's 2 hours until the market closes, so I really don't have a watch list for tomorrow or for Monday yet. So, okay. I will consider this as a warm-up video, and I hope I will see you guys next week.